Hi, I'm Marna, and I've been asked before, how did I get into doll collecting? It's kind of a long story. I'll try to make it very short. I have a lot of dolls from my own childhood. My Chatty Cathy Play Pal Barbies, Girl Scout doll, Brownie doll, da-da-da-da-da-da. And my mother saved those for me, and they were in, most of them, pretty good condition. I started, and through the years, I have bought different dolls. Like when we were racing sled, or when I was racing sled dogs, I bought Arctic Barbies, different ones like that I picked up here and there just through the years. Or if I saw a really good deal or a really cute doll at a garage sale, I bought it and kind of put it up or put it out to display. When Darren and I moved to this house, our theme was bicycles, and I have bicycles, you know, like decor stuff all through the house. Well, I had an 18-inch doll, so when on eBay I stumbled across an 18-inch doll bicycle, had to have one, then I had to have two, then I had to have three. Well, you know how I am. Darren and I don't have hobbies, we have obsessions. So then I came across other dolls on their bicycles, and one of those is Monster High. Had to have her. I will not take her out of the box because, well, I'm kind of like that. I have a closet full plus a storage tub full of dolls in boxes. Why? I just like them in their boxes. And then when I saw this Monster High, of course I had to have her too, because by then we had started picking up Monster Highs at antique malls and garage sales. So one thing led to another, and then it got to be putting the dolls out for the holidays. And of course she came out on Halloween, and I went to a garage sale and they had these creepy dolls, which I love. This guy hangs on the wall. I love him. He's hilarious. So I bought those. And this is part of my Halloween collection of dolls. I couldn't get them all out, but later this week I think we're going to show you some of our dolls on display. So that's how I got into doll collecting. That's how I got into Monster High. And now my collection, my Monster High collection is quite large. Not as large as some people on YouTube, but mine's pretty large. And my favorites are the big dolls. The bigger the better. And I have these three girls. There's another one in the series that I'd like to also get, but my oh my, the prices. I do have to say, as a doll collector, I always thought it was a rich person's game. But I have found that you can collect dolls, and nice dolls, if you're patient and if you don't mind cleaning them up and making the outfit yourself. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.